Hi guys, welcome to another video for my returning subscribers. Thank you very much. If you are new here, I call this channel Rika Yangu. I share my life as a black woman in Switzerland and how I live here. So if you are new, please, I'd really appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, because without you sharing, it will really be useless. My video, I just want my videos to reach more people. Anyway, today I thought I will share with you how I do my laundry here, because I live in quite a large apartment building. It's not allowed to have a washing machine in the room or inside the apartment, so we all have a communal washing machine downstairs in the in the basement. Yeah, in the basement. So as it is, everyone have their washing day. You have about 7 hours, Monday to Saturday. Every person have 7 hours to wash and dry their washing, and after that you leave the machine for the next person. So today is not my washing day. My washing day is usually on Fridays, but tomorrow, which will be Friday, I will be working. So I have my washing day from 7 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. And exactly this time, I'm still working. I will not be home. So by the time I'm supposed to leave the machine for my neighbor, I will not be home, and they don't take it very well. So I went downstairs and checked, and I saw that the machine is empty. So maybe the person who is supposed to be washing today is at work, or they just have nothing to wash. I don't know. So I thought I will take the opportunity to do my washing. Anyway, since it's not my day, I will just wash one machine and leave it before somebody knows that I took it. So I will be doing my washing in 60 degrees, and it will take exactly 1 hour, 13 minutes. So let me turn the camera so that I can explain as we go on. Thank you. So here I have 3 coins. Let's see. They are not the exact money, but they are specifically made for the machine. So here, as you can see, I have my washing powder and that. And instead of taking the whole thing downstairs, I will just take this. And I've taken my washing powder in a cup. That's what I always do, because I don't see why I should take everything. Also, as I said, I'm only going to wash the black items in 60 degrees. So let me take this and see how it goes on. And as I said, I hope to be finished before the person who has the washing day is not yet back, because they never really take it well. So it's like, yeah, it's like I'm going to steal their time, but I hope they don't have a washing to do, or that they're still at work, and I hope to be finished by the time they get back from work. So I'm just going down with the lift to the basement, because as I said, our machine is in the basement. I will show you how we count the coins and how we check the washing time and all that good stuff. So I'm down now, so I will take the stairs. One moment, please. And so I will take just one flight of stairs, and I am in the basement. As I said, it's a big basement. I will show you that later. First, I have to get to the washing machine. I will close the door so that nobody knows I'm in here. Also, here is our washing machine, and here is the tumbler, which I never use. And here is a space if you need to maybe scrub something from the hand with hands, and here is a tap with cold and hot water. Here is a place maybe if you need to divide your washing before you start, but I always already do that upstairs. This is the main water line, and this is a drying line. If you want to dry your clothes in the line, you can take them out, which I never do. I just do dry my clothes in the house. Now, I used to dry my clothes down here, not in the tumbler, but just by hanging them. But some funny people just moved here, and since they moved in, there has been a lot of stealing still. So I will just put my washing in the machine. I don't know if I should put on the light. I don't know if it's too dark. Okay, so those are my washing. Everything is black because I do divide everything. So I've already checked everything, and I've already checked everything is for 60 degrees, and everything is dark color. So that's that. Now I will close the machine, which I just push with my leg. And as you can see here, we have choices 95, 60, 60, 40, 20, wool, hand washing, more water, less water, speedy, if you want your washing to be quick. Yeah. And sorry, the last button is to open the machine when the washing is done. So I will choose before that, let me explain something. Here is where I put the coins. I took 3 coins, but as you can see, there is 50 cents there. So because somebody washed and their money didn't finish, and you cannot take the money out once you put it in. So instead of putting 3 coins, I will just put 2. I will press the button to activate. When it blinks, it's activated. So I will just put in 2 coins, and 150 is enough for 60 degrees. Now I will come back and press 60 degrees. Then here you have a choice. Again, they are blinking. If I want more water, less water if I want it quick, and again more water, and to open, which I don't need. And this is to bring it in front, which again I don't need. So I'll just take my washing powder, which I brought from upstairs, put it there. It's really not a lot, it's just enough for the washing. Then I will take my fabric softener, and I don't measure it, I just put it and hope it's enough. So I don't measure it. I've been washing long enough to know what's enough and what's not. So that's it. You might be thinking I put too much, but it's not concentrated, so that's just enough. I'm using lavender fabric softener, which is okay. So let me take my items back. So as you can see, I have 1 hour 12 minutes until the washing is done. So I will just be back in 1 hour 12 minutes, and my washing will be ready by then. As you can see, it's now 140, which means 10 cents is gone already, and it will keep reducing until, I don't know exactly how it counts, but it just reduced by 10 cents until I finish the washing. So that's that. As I said, I will not use the tumbler. I never use the tumbler because the tumbler takes quite a lot of money. It's more expensive than the washing machine. So I never use the tumbler. So this one here, I really don't use it as much unless I'm washing blankets. Then it's just to press away extra water from the clothes. You just put the clothes inside, close it, then you drag this button to you and it starts taking away the water. Also, here is our drying room. Let me put on the light. Okay, here's our drying room with a lot of ropes and a small window there. But as you can see, it's empty, which means the person who was supposed to wash in the morning today did not wash, or maybe they, unlike me, they hang their clothes in the room. I don't know, but it is empty. Otherwise, here was where I was always hanging my clothes to dry until the funny people moved in. The good thing about this room is that although it's in the basement, it has a heater, so it's still comfortable enough, warm enough even in the winter when you are hanging the clothes. Oh, sorry. Here is our basement. The hallway, as you can see, is a big house. I don't know if you can see the end. It's quite a large house. Like I've always told you, I live in this low income area, and yeah. Anyway, this is the basement. We usually park bicycles here. Let's see. As you can see, a kids' plaything, and yeah, it's just for bicycles, and every niche you go, there are bicycles parked along the way. So this is the other side of the basement. It's really a very large house. I'm not exactly sure how many apartments are here, but it's large. It is large. So let me just take my items from the washing room so that nobody knows it's me washing. But otherwise, if we wash according to the plan, let's see, this is how it will go. It's written, I don't know if you can see, morning and afternoon. So then you just know your name is here, you are in the morning, your name is here, you are in the afternoon, and here am I on a, here's my name on a Friday. So, but tomorrow I really just can't wash. Again, that's that. The washing will go on. As you can see now, it's still remaining 1 hour and 8 minutes, but they've already started washing, and I can see again the tumbler, which I never use. It takes quite a lot of coins. For example, I use 3 coins here to wash for 60 degrees, but I will use about minimum 6 coins if I'm using the tumbler. So I just never use it. I have enough extra clothes in the house, so if they take 2 days to dry up, that's totally okay. So that's the washroom, and we are done there. I'll just be going back upstairs. As you can see again, here are the stairs to go back, and again I will just take the lift. Ah, I live on the 5th floor, but luckily I don't have to walk all the floors up because we have a lift. Otherwise, I will honestly not live here. I cannot walk 4 stairs every day. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. I really appreciate your support, and please share my video with your friends. And I hope to see you next time. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It will really help me out. And for my returning subscribers, once again, thanks so much. I don't take it for granted that you choose to watch my video. Sorry, the changing light because I'm coming from out and all that. So the light in the lift, the light right here is not all the same. Anyway, guys, that's how I do my washing. If I was confident enough, I will take I still have whitewashing to do, but I'm not confident, or I will have to check about 7 o'clock in the evening, and when the machine is free, then maybe I can do one more machine. But as I said, we are only allowed to wash up to 7 o'clock in the evening. But our landlord doesn't stay here. This is more or less a foreigner's house. Most people who live here are foreigners. So they don't take things as serious as the Swiss do. But if I lived in a house where there are only Swiss people, I will not go to wash after 7 because they just do follow regulations so clearly that if I washed after 7, they will really report me to the landlord. But because most people here are foreigners, they take things easy. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. I really appreciate your time, and let's talk soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.